Received a call about a fire at the warehouse, and we thought to ourselves,
But who?
But why?
We did not know many things, but we needed to figure it out.
This company is beneficial in many ways. They make and create helpful and innovative products that can help keep people safe in everyday situations and can even save lives. Let's jump into some suspects' interviews.
I am a team leader, so I make sure that everything gets out on time, and I make sure everything gets out safely. Night, sleeping.
here's suspect two's interview.
Probably the general manager and the factory manager. So there's John, who's the factory manager. He used to be a Navy SEAL, so he's quite scary. No, I don't think so.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Here's suspect three's interview.
Being a team lead, I have to make sure that my team is ready to do what they need to do. I supply them with tools, knowledge. I'm here to basically help them, support them.
Here's suspect four's interview.
We started by asking what his least favorite part of the job is.
That there is a long testing process. So you have to start from a very small scale and you have to work your way up where you go to a variety of different tests and make sure that it is passing all of the standards that each industry is asking for.
Then we asked where he was when the fire started on Monday.
Oh, I was at my firehouse.
And finally, suspect five's interview.
Then we asked for Suspect 5's job and the people he looked for when hiring.
I'm Lex Bruno, recruiting and retention specialist. We are always looking for hardworking individuals that are self-motivated and mechanically inclined.
Then we asked where he was when the fire happened.
I forget.
Luckily, the fire extinguishers produced by the company stopped the fire from any further damage.
Wait. Doesn't that sound a little weird? We asked him if he started the fire. Listen to what he says.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, thank you for your time.
He can't remember what he did?
Talking about who he is scared of in the company?
He used to be a Navy SEAL, so he's quite scary.
New to the company.
I'm an intern.
Culprit found.